How to use Pump.Fun. Now, Pump.Fun is actually community members participate in creating, trading, and promoting meme coins. It includes several features that improve engagement and support newly launched tokens. So if you are a crypto market fan, then this is good for you. All you just have to do to participate in it is you can go ahead and go to their website, or you can download the application through the Play Store if you're using an Android. And then you can create the name, the ticker, the description, and then you can add your meme image. And then once you create those, you will receive zero point 0.5 soul. That's a zero point 0.5 soul points. Now, there is also a community for you to be able to join via the Telegram that you can like upgrade to premium levels for you to, make make the bumps faster without doing anything. So you have to pay for that for you to be able to get that feature. Now, this is just actually selling and trading coins out of meme photos. So that's basically how you can use Pump That Fun.